Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a fun pop-up card that fits in a standard A2 envelope. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? I use the adorable owls that you can get from Celebration 2023, and also the conversation bubbles. And then I'll show you a different version of it with a different stamp set when we're done. Let's get started. We'll start with the base 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 2, 4, 6, and 8. And you see a little edge right there. So all you have to do first is cut off the top little slit strip here. And then as you can see, you'll have 4 panels here. So you're going to cut the top panels, the panel that you didn't have a strip. Here, you can use your trimmer if you like. Entirely up to you. And just, I think it's easier for me to cut it for you this way. And these are the parts that are going to fold down and fold up, depending on if you want the card opened or closed. Then let's go ahead and fold in along all the squares. Oh, and I forgot to mention, on this side you're scoring 2 3/4 on the long side. So there's the middle score for that. Alright, so I'm going to take some tear and tape, put it on just that remaining strip there, burnish it really good, take that release tape off, and fold the card shut. And that's how it's going to end up first. Then you can fold these down if you like. And then you have the 2 inside pieces that'll hold the parts that are popping up. And they are 2 pieces, 1 inch by 3, and they're scored at 1/2 inch and 2.5. And then I need you to fold them like a Z or an S, depending on how you're looking at it, I guess. There. And then we're going to use some more tear and tape again on the outer flaps. And this is what's going to hold it in your card. So on the outer strips here, and they're going to fit right in here. And it's a little tricky, but it's pretty nice once you get the hang of it. So if you take off one of the release tapes and fold it this way, line it up against the edge here, there, and then take the release tape off of this one. What's nice is you can actually close this card onto the adhesive. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me shut it, and it makes that little bridge. I'll do it again. So release tape on this one side, line it up on the edge here, press into it so it's like that. Then you're going to take the release tape here, and you can use glue too if you like. And all you do is gently close the card. And then when you open it, you have 2 bridges. Isn't that cool? Alright, and then we're going to decorate the tops and the sides on the bottom here. And what I did is I got 2 different DSPs. This one is called Design a Daydream. So there's 4 of this one and 4 of this one. And as you can see on the sample, I did 4 of the same on this side and 4 of the same, but I think I'm gonna mix it up a bit, and I'm gonna alternate. So I'm gonna put this one here and this one here. And then I'm going to put the stripe ones, and you can use either side. What's lovely about the DSP is that it is double-sided, so you can choose any design that you'd like. I'm just trying to be a little different here. And alternate. And then I'll do the same. You can shut it down like that. Do the same on the bottoms. So let's see if this one has a stripe. I'll put this one right underneath it. And alternate with the stripes. And do the same on the other side. And there you go. That's enough of the DSPs there. So now it's time to add in your owls and your conversation bubbles. So what's nice about the owls, I went ahead and already colored them. So here's one, and I attach it to a 1/2 inch strip of just any type of cardstock. And you can vary the types. Always start long, and then you could always I'll cut off as much as you want. And then the conversation bubbles, which is cool, is they come in the dies actually cut out not only the part that you want. So this one is originally, it looks like this, but because I was making the owls pop up at different sides, I wanted this side. So I actually use this one. And then I can attach those to more strips here, and I'm just using glue dots to do that. So I'm putting a little glue dot here, a little glue dot here, and I'll put one here and here. All right, so here's the key. So I'm going to start with the front one and put a little glue dot on this guy. He's going to be coming toward the left. So I'm going to have him here. And what's cool about, just test it out, when you close the card, you just make sure that he fits in there also. And the glue dots are pretty flexible that you can move them around the way you want them. And I'm going to do the caption. This one I'm going to put on the back of the first bridge here. So I'm going to put the glue dot here. I think that looks nice. And then this guy is going to be flying in kind of to the right a little bit, and then what he's saying will kind of be to the left, and I'll put it right there. But do you see how if I close it, see if this guy's sticking out a little bit, I'm just going to turn the glue dot just a little bit and turn this guy a little bit, and that way it'll still close. And let me alter this a little bit more and pull it up just a bit. There. And then see, it'll close entirely and fit into the envelope there. And there you go. There is your pop-up box. And as promised, I did another version using the Love For You, which is in the January to April mini catalog. It has photopolymer stamps and the matching dies that cut out the words. That's my favorite part, so I did that instead. So here, this one. So again, it closes like this into the envelope, and when they open it, the message is "Love you so much." So thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on my videos, and I'll be sure to make more of these videos to share all these lovely pop-up cards that I enjoy making. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.